Branches of biology. Hey there, I am biology, and I have knowledge about all living organisms. And I am mother of 12 children. My first child is cellular biology, that studies the structure and functions of cells. The other one, molecular biology, studies the biological processes on a molecular level. Evolutionary biology solely focuses on biology from an evolutionary point of view, to predict how biology will evolve. Bioengineering builds products by using engineering concepts applied to biological systems. Cardiac stunts are an example of this. Marine biology is responsible for studying all the creatures that live within the marine environment. Medical biology studies all fields that are related to illnesses, alterations, and functions of the human body. Mycology studies solely fungi. Zoology is responsible for the study of animal life as a whole. Botany, it deals directly with the study of plants. Microbiology deals with the study of organisms that are invisible to naked eye. Here is environmental biology, which deals with the way in which all the living and non-living elements of the environment interact with each other. Last, but never the least, this is astrobiology, the branch of biology concerned with the effects of outer space on living organisms and the search for extraterrestrial life. What is your favorite branch of biology? Comment below and we will tell you more about it.